Welcome to qnawire.
So in this case, we're given another truss, and we want to figure out what the forces are in this section, and this member. All right, so we'll make a cut right through there. But first, we need to just look at the overall system, so we can figure out what these reaction forces are. And since the loading is not symmetric, they won't be the same. But we know their sum has to be 2F, and F was given as 36 kips. And then we'll take a moment about point H, since I took it about here, and so we get F times 20, F times 10 moment arm here, F times 20 is the moment arm here, and then this moment arm is minus R times this total distance is 40. And so that equals 0, and we get that R1 is 27 kips and R2 is 45 kips. And again, it makes sense because there's more load towards the right, and this reaction force is larger than this one. So now when we cut this, we can just look at this half here, or this section to the left. And so in the X direction, or in the Y direction, we have R1. And then the Y component of FCD, which is 7.5 over 12.5, just because of the length, this triangle here. And then in the X direction, we have the X component of FCD, which is 10 over 12.5, again, from this triangle here. And we have FCE and FBD, that has to sum to 0. And then I took moments about point B, which is here, and so that means that we have negative moment from this reaction, and this moment arm is 20 feet, and then we have a moment from this guy, and its moment it's a positive moment, and this distance here was 7.5 feet. So now we have, again, 3 equations and 3 unknowns, and we solve those, and we get FCD is minus 45 kips, FBD is minus 36 kips, and FCE is 72 kips. And that, again, makes sense because we're pushing down on this, so we'd expect it to bend like this. So these should be stretching, and these should be compressing. And it's always hard to tell what these interior ones are doing, but it turns out that in this case, this one is actually in compression, which kind of makes sense. If you're pushing down on it, it's probably trying to squeeze this one to a smaller area.